Hi and welcome back to this video. Here we are talking about how to create a custom audience. Now, you must understand that a custom audience is an audience that have visited your website in the past and you want to target them back, right? You want to target these people and you want to know how many people that come to your landing pages. Now, in this particular video now, I'm going to show you how to create a custom audience for maybe landing pages or video views or Instagram pages or Facebook pages. So the first thing is I'll click on custom audience. Now click on website. I want to target people who have visited my website or landing pages from the past. Now I will target these people now with what I call Facebook Meta Pixel. Now Pixel is something that will target people who come to your landing page to either purchase a product or just do whatever thing they want to do. Alright, so let's just go ahead. Let me show you how it looks like. You must have a landing page and access to adding the Facebook pixel on it. So click on next. Okay, now you need to create a custom conversion by clicking on maybe pixel name. You want to click on pixel name is let me just say pixel name is going to be just let me know anything landing page. There they said check your website for anything. I don't want to give any website address here. It's optional anyways. So click on continue. It's going to give you a code that you need to put on your website. So it's going to give you a code that you need to put on the website to actually use this custom conversion. So the first thing is select source. So include account center for anyone who meets all. I just want to be all. Then all website visitors here. For example, now this particular place is event type. Event type is if you select or include people who have visited any of your website pages. Now we have people who visited a specific page. You want to target a particular page, a landing page or your website. That is why I opened my website before in the last video. Now come to my pages on my website, in my WordPress website. I'm using WordPress anyways for this video. Now I want to target people who visited one of my pages. Okay. Now what I will do now is I will just find a particular page. Okay. Just find a particular page I want to target. Okay, let me just, for example, let me use particular one page, for example. Okay, let me use this Stripe money course for this video tutorial now. So this is the page I want to target. This is the page I want to target here. So let me open the page so that you see what I'm talking about here. I want to target this page. Now, probably I'm running adverts to sell this product. Alright, I'm running adverts to sell this product and I want to see how many people that come to my landing pages to interact to either buy my product or do anything possible. So I want to see how many people that have visited this page and I want to target them back. So what I will do now is there's no specific page, specific events here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to install an extension which we called the Facebook Pixel Helper. So what I'm going to do now is go to new tab, search for Facebook Pixel Helper extensions. So what I'm going to do now is probably go to Edge extensions. For example, now I don't have any pixel on this page, so I want to search to see whether I can see any pixel on this page. So I'm going to do something which we called add an extension. If you're using browser, if you're using Chrome browser, you can install Facebook Pixel Helper here. I don't know why my own is not working. Let me go back. Let me just search for only Facebook Pixel Helper. I don't want it to be because I'm using Microsoft Edge browser. That's why it's showing me like this. So if I'm using if I'm using Chrome browser, it's actually going to be easy for me to actually navigate my way around this thing. So what I'm going to do now is click on Facebook Pixel Helper. This first one here. It is very helpful. It's going to show you a total number of pixel tracking devices, tracking pixels or tracking tag in your landing pages or your website. So let me install it. Look at it here. So you can see over 2 million people have installed this thing. Okay, it's already in my extension. So it said that this item have been disabled in Chrome. Enable it. So I need to enable it. It's already installed in my own. Your own is going to be installed. Click on install. It's going to install. So I need to enable it on my extension. I moved my browsing history and details from Chrome browser to Microsoft Edge so that it will be easy for me. So look at it here. Show in toolbar. Look at this. So I'm good to go. So what I'm going to do now is go to this place, refresh it to see whether I have that extension. Let me close it. So I've refreshed my browser here. You can see this thing is refreshing here, and you see here. So I'm actually going to refresh to see this page. Let me click on this Facebook pixel helper. Now you can see there's no pixel found on this place. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add a pixel here. You need to edit your landing page the way you are targeting these people, because I choose the custom audience to be on my website. So I want to, probably target a specific page on my website. That's what I'm searching for, people who visited specific page of my website. Okay. Now retention in 30 days. Yes, it's okay. If you make it 180 days, that means you want to target most large people. So for here, I'll just select only 30 days. I'll just set 90 days. Okay. Maybe they visited my page in the last 90 days. I don't advert, they didn't buy. So I want to target them back. So I put the 90 days there. Now I've opened this page to edit with Travarkitech. I'll come to here, click on settings. Then from settings here, I'll click on advanced options. You know how to add this thing. I click on custom script. This is where I need to add the custom script of my site. Okay. I need to add the custom script here on the header script. Okay. So if you don't know how to do it, just go and learn how to do it. So it's very easy to do. It is very, very extremely easy to do, and also implement what I'm trying to do here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy the page I'm targeting. Okay. You put the page you are targeting, because I selected people who visited a specific page on my website. I'll put the address here. Now I have contains, I'll just say equals, just anything at all. It's okay for me. Now they said the audience size is too small because I have not used this campaign for anything. So what I'm going to do now is, because I have not run advert on this particular landing page, so what I'm going to do now is, you can say the rules that set up might result in a small audience. Anyways, because of I have not finally run out. If I run advert on this campaign, on this landing page, this thing will not be showing up here. So if I said whole pages, whole website visitors, then that is fine. So, and I create everything. Now, because of this, let me just show you. Let me just name it first audience. All right. Then just description, people who visited my website page. Click on create audience. All right, it is the same thing. Then this is it. You can see now, look at the audience, estimated audience size 1,000 people. This is a summary of people who have visited my website page, last updated, created, and everything. And I'm okay with it. So what I'm going to do now is click on action if I want to edit. Now this is where I click on audience option here. Click on look alike. If I click on look alike, I'm going to create an audience again to target people who have visited my website that looks like them. So Facebook is going to be showing my ad to two different people: the people who have visited my website and people that looks like them. So it's actually doing two things for me, and also I'm going to be getting some results of people who have visited my website in the past and people who looks like them. So if I click here now, automatically it's going to create an audience of people who have visited my website that looks like them. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook pixels so that I can actually track activities of any pages on your website. So see you in the next video.